Oh, we got some Gatorades.
Yeah, note too.
Looking like we're going with the BTR camshaft though. Interesting choice.
Dear friend and the team at RPM, I've been watching your videos on YouTube for the past 4+ years and haven't missed one. Now I can't believe I finally get to send my own vehicle to you guys. I am beyond thankful. So thank you, and maker Shop Hard, Dustin from Hilton Head, South Carolina. So, more Gatorades.
I was just saying, really nice to have a Gatorade right now. Let's see what camshaft we're working with. Don't drop it. Just, what is it?
Just a BTR, I don't know.
Chuck Norris.
What do you got for snacks in there?
Yeah, I think he's doing the Chuck Norris camera in the Camaro. Nice.
All right.
Little chips.
Little variety snack box. Thanks.
Shit.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
All right, so we got a 2011 5th gen SS Camaro. This thing's got I believe that's a lawn intake, and it has headers. Kind of sounds like it's got a cam already.
Got a cam.
Yeah, let's say. Well, we're putting a cam in it too. So. What's your guess? Should make around what your car made, right?
Same. 487.
Is it manual?
Yep. Doesn't even have 20,000 miles on. What's your guess?
I'll go 500.
Really?
Yeah. That's too high. I'm sorry. I'm changing it.
That's up.
I'm going 475.
I can't see it. You're telling
459.
me. Oh.
It's a good thing I changed my gas. What are you doing here? No, you're doing a cam.
It's cam, I believe.
Okay. He's nice and clean in the engine bay. Yep.
I tell you what, Garrett, these cars are the easiest things to work on. Fantastic. Jealous, Garrett.
What is that? Cicada glued to the front of this thing? What is that?
Cicada? Oh my god. Wasp? Yeah, I don't know what it is, but I don't.
What do you got? BTR.
First centrifugal blower. That's what I'm assuming Century means.
Yeah.
Sick.
Stage.
This thing have a fucking Pro Charger on it or something?
Hidden. It's got that hidden kit. Sleeper. Not seeing it down in there?
No, I'm not. God, Garrett, you can get f***ed, honestly.
What the f*** is that?
Don't know. Extra bolts.
Any other goodies are hiding down there?
What did I see?
What do you got here?
I'll say NA, stage 3.
Oh, that's 3 stage.
Yeah.
3 in there.
Yeah. I'm thinking this is better suited for his current mods.
Yeah?
Kyle, you had to f***ing throw that into the mix?
They probably got some nice spots
No,
out
I
there.
know, silly for Mexico.
Nice spot.
Thanks. I'm glad you keep tabs on my asshole. Anybody else think that's just a weird thing to f***ing say?
Hey, Garrett, grab another soda for me.
Yeah.
Garrett,
1 second.
fucking grab that thing.
finger up. Hold on. There we go. It slid right on. Is he a big fan of?
I can't keep dancing on my own. God, what a banger, right? Especially if you heard it 300 times.
Yeah, you see them feels like Australia really take the Masters down.
Australia, nice.
The Australian
Arizona,
Astros.
down unders.
Yeah.
The Australian Astros.
The Australian Astros.
This thing already had a cam and some stuff when it got here. I don't know whose cam. Whoever tuned it was an idiot, but that's besides the point. He, I guess, already had another cam. He had a BTR cam, so we put that in with our cylinder heads. It already had a cold air and had a rotofab on it. Now I'm tuning it. Came from South Carolina. It's a BTR Stage 3 LS3. So let's see what it makes. Baseline 459, 411. Like I said, I don't know what the other cam was in there, but it already had a cam and stuff in it. So from the baseline to this, it'll be cylinder heads and a different cam. Little lean. Fuck that, I'd have sat there and recorded. That's the new 2023 motto. You don't watch people, or you don't help people, you just watch them struggle. That's like what the last 10 years have been, man. Like how someone's getting murdered, you're like, yo, fucking, can't wait to post this online. World star. .502 440. Or the new motto is also, instead of just filming them struggle, what you should do is tried helping them, got hurt, and then sued them. That's the fucking way to do it, bro. That's how you come up in 2024. You got about a month and a half to fucking plan that. It's still lean up top. 506, 447. Dyno froze. Well, I guess not fully. The RPM's definitely froze on it. Same thing, basically 505. I'm gonna let this thing cool down for a few minutes. I'll be back. I didn't let it cool yet, only for like 4 minutes. I added some timing. Then I'm gonna let it cool. .509, 457. All right. I'm gonna let it cool down. We'll be back in like, I don't know, 25 minutes? I let it cool down for a lot longer than 25 minutes because I was doing something else. So I gotta let it warm up a little bit now. I gotta let it warm up. .510, 458. .512, 460. I'm actually gonna add a tiny bit of fuel and do one more. I don't think it's gonna make any more power, but I'm just gonna check the air fuels. 510, 458. So I figured it was hot and I added a little more fuel, but that's it. 512, 460. With this thing baseline, 450 something. So it picked up like 53 horsepower with heads and a different cam. Like I said, I don't know what cam was in there before, but solid gains. Later.